There's a lot of talk of bad generic AI copy. And I think the vast majority of those criticisms come from individuals who both don't know how to use AI or have poor prompts, or they don't know how to edit. They just copy and paste whatever ChatGPT spits out. So I want to use an example of how to use AI to write compelling product descriptions that sound both human and tailored for your needs. Now, I like Cloud over ChatGPT or Gemini. To me, it just sounds more human, which makes the editing easier afterwards, but use whatever tool you like. So let's use an example of you're trying to write a product description for a generic B2B SaaS product. So first, let's create a prompt that provides Cloud with the necessary information to generate product description. So for the fictional product, let's just call it Taskmaster Pro. When crafting your prompt, remember to provide context about your product and the target audience to help Cloud understand the situation. Share the emotional pain points and aspirations of your target audience in their own voice. So I went ahead and typed the following prompt into Claude. Please write a product description for Taskmaster Pro, a B2B SaaS project management tool designed for teams struggling with inefficient workflows and communication breakdowns. I then highlighted the key features and benefits I think Claude's going to need to be able to write a compelling product description. I also wanted the product description to be both fun and informative, so I went ahead and typed write the description in an informative yet fun tone, as if you're trying to explain Taskmaster Pro to a friend. Finally, I want Cloud to ask me better clarifying questions to get a full picture of the situation, so I typed, based on the information provided about Taskmaster Pro, what clarifying questions would you need from me to help better understand the product and its target audience? And here's what Claude responded with, and these are actually really good questions that you should already know. Questions like types of teams, target market, unique standout features, success stories to tell. All great questions, so I'll go ahead and respond to some of these. So for the first question of what types of teams or industries, I put IT and software development teams of between 5 and 1,000 employees. For more details on specific pain points, I put inefficient collaboration and communication and difficulty in resource management. Are there any unique or standout features? I put version control integration and bug issue tracking. And then for number 4, can you share any success stories? For this one, I put no. And then number 5, they were asking about the brand voice guidelines, and I put professional yet fun storytelling format. And here is the response back, and this is a little bit cheesier than I would have liked. I like storytelling, but I don't want customers to roll their eyes. So I think we went a little too far. Hot knife through butter and watch your team soar wasn't really what I was going for. And that's okay. So I went ahead and added another prompt to fit the tone I'm looking for. So I added a little less cheesy, a little more professional. Now this is the result, and this is much closer to what I'm looking for. It summarizes who the product is for, IT and software development teams, highlights the key benefits, solving for miscommunication issues, version control, and integration with Slack and Zoom, and has a great tagline of work smarter, not harder, and deliver exceptional results. Now this still requires heavy editing, but I can now work with this. And for editing, get rid of the buzzwords if you don't want to sound generic and full of jargon. Learn to recognize those words and delete and replace. And the words I mean are words like powerful, boost, seamless, streamlining. These are all words that can either be eliminated or replaced with words that actually mean something. And if you can recognize those buzzwords, you can actually use AI to do a lot of the editing work for you. So we're going to use one final prompt to get what we want. The prompt I'm going to use is, can you eliminate fluff words like powerful, streamlined, boost, and seamless, and replace with words that matter or just trim copy? And let's see where that takes us. And this is the final result. It's to the point. Lays out customer pain points and challenges. No jargon. Clear and concise. This is what you want out of a product description. With this result, I would only need to take and put into a Word document to do limited editing from here. And once you've done that editing, try to add some creative flair. Even though you're using AI, you want to add that human touch. So those are the steps on how to write product descriptions with AI. Bye for now.